In my last video, I did an overview of this off-grid living space that I've got in Iquitos, Peru, in the Amazon rainforest. As I grow some of the bungalows, some of the different offerings with shamanism, when the water comes down, there's going to be an awesome beach right across here. It's going to be an awesome place. I want to encourage people to see the diversity of life in the jungle, as well as with the culture that you have here in Iquitos. It's very unique. I love living here. So I'm planning on developing this. There's a lot that can be done here at a very economical price. As I'm economical with funds that I have, I'll be able to do more and more. I've got tons of land here to work with, and I plan on cultivating this property and making it real beautiful for people that want to come here and experience this. I have gotten completely out of the US dollar, cashed out all my US dollars. I have money in Peruvian soles and a bank here. Right now, if you had crypto as a base currency, I feel like HEX gives you the most potential for returns, for potential future value, for the ease of use with the new blockchain that is going to be coming. If you're looking for the price to go up in a cryptocurrency project, nothing has done that better than HEX. It's undeniable. It's been the top performing crypto. There's a lot of people excited for the upcoming arrival of Pulsechain. We are at that point where it's going to launch here anytime. The testing has really come full circle. We're starting to see a product. My major win with cryptocurrency has been with HEX, with staking for the amount of time that I have, and that's what I'm planning on using to fund this project. I'm going to have an account with somewhere between 100 and 150,000 HEX, whatever is going to get mirrored over into Pulse. I'm going to have that amount of HEX allocated to this project. It has its own separate wallet. This is going to be something that's going to be used more for the property here. I can increase my amount of HEX or kind of offset some of the spending, do limit orders, buying low, selling high. There might be some other opportunities within the HEX community, see things that potentially I may want to look at, and I can make everything here very self-sustaining and to the point where I don't need to cash out as much HEX. And so the HEX that's coming in, that's paying for certain things, that's going to grow the wallet, and that's going to grow the ability to do different things out here. I can put things in different stakes. I think that we can come up with a unique solution to basically set this up to have payment systems where you can pay in HEX and Pulsechain. Stay tuned. I'll be giving you guys updates here in the near future, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.